Hello friends, welcome back to Tiny Rooms Therapy. Have you ever been to an orange plantation? It is a heavenly place. The colors of the leaves and fruit are amazing, and the sweet and flowery scent of the blossoms is absolutely enchanting. Orange trees are a true luxury for all senses and a must-have for all lovers of beauty. Today I'll show you how to assemble my Mediterranean orange tree kit. The kit contains a tree trunk with branches, citrus leaves, orange blossoms, oranges, a little bucket, crushed gravel and a foam mat. On top of these items you will need white glue, tweezers and a tool to emboss or indent the leaves and blossoms. For the blossoms I take this rounded tool. Just press the flower into the soft mat and it will curl upwards. For deeper indentations, a more closed-looking flower, I use the tip of my tweezers. To make it more realistic, I made the orange leaves multicolored. Most of them have a lighter and a darker side. This also adds to the impression of sunlight in the tree. I'm working with this sculpting tool on the leaves, but anything with a narrow edge will do, like a butter knife or a credit card. To give the leaves the middle fold and make them more three-dimensional, just press the edge of your tool along the middle of each leaf. You will do this about 500 times. Enjoy! Now let's prepare the bucket. Measure about half of the little stones and put the rest aside. Put the gravel from the bucket in a smaller container and sprinkle them with a few drops of alcohol, if you have some at hand. This reduces the surface tension on the stones and allows the glue to bond better. Then add glue and stir it with the stones. This will get quite gooey. Put the mix in your bucket and push the gravel to the sides, creating a hole in the middle. Let this dry for an hour or so. Next, let's get to the tree. I use a piece of styrofoam with a hole for the tree trunk to stabilize the tree while working on it. Then I glue the leaves on one by one, starting at the tip of the branches. Choose lighter leaves for the tips. The leaves should be pointing outwards. Also glue them on pointing upwards and downwards for a natural looking tree crown. When the glue is dry, you can bend the twigs in your preferred direction. Keep adding more and more leaves. Time for the oranges. I'm starting with the fruit below the branches. Put a little glue on the branch and place an orange on it. Then flank the orange with 2 glue drops and set blossoms in it. This looks nice and prevents the orange from rolling off. You can add some more oranges and blossoms, but please be aware that you will have to let the glue bond before you can turn the tree upside down. Take your time. Everything is glued on? Perfect! Now put glue in your pre-cured bucket and place the trunk of your tree in the hole. Add more glue and fill in the rest of your stones. Try to find a good balance. If necessary, lean the tree against something to keep it upright. Now let the glue dry completely. This is it. Now your tiny room box inhabitants can enjoy wonderful Mediterranean moments in their garden, their country-style patio, or their sunny roof terrace. The orange tree is available in the Tiny Rooms Therapy Etsy shop as a kit or a wonderful little ready-made tree. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button if you haven't already. This tells the YouTube algorithm that this content is well liked and recommends it to more viewers. Thank you very much for watching, and I hope to see you next time. Bye!